Connecting with the divine with your eyes closed is meditation. Connecting with the divine with your eyes open is darshan. Come, let us all now move from meditation to darshan. Slowly, very slowly, please open your eyes.
द्राविड वेद प्रवर्तक श्रीमन् परम शिव करुणा समधिगत मुक्तामय चतुरश्रयान दीयमान छत्र चामर श्री चिन्नकाहलादि समस्त विरतावल्यरंजित ज्ञान विज्ञान चक्रवर्ती सर्वजन संग सत्योजात निर्वाण दीक्षा केशरी शैव सिद्धांत स्थापनाचार्य श्री राजाधिराज पाण्ड्य महाराज गुरु श्रवण शाक्यादि महातकार निर्वाण ज्ञानवाणु वीक्षणार्हार्ह वचोच्चेदन पूर्वक ऋषभध्वज स्थापक शैव समय
प्रशक्यशालिने नमो वयं वै श्रवणाय कुर्महे श्यामे कामाय मह्यं कामेश्वरो वै श्रवणो ददातु कुबेराय वै श्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः
सनडि पोट्टि शिवन सेवडि पोट्टि नेयत्ते निंदरि मदनडि पोट्टि ஆயப்பிறப்பருக்கும் மன்னனடி போற்றி சீரார் பெருந்துரையிடம் தேவனடி போற்றி ஆராத இன்பம் அருளும் மலை போற்றி ஈசனே சிந்தை கவர வந்த நேசனே நீ வருவாய் பூவோடு கனிகளை கொண்டு உன்னை பூஜித்தோ அருள் தருவாய் கலி என்னும் கடலினில் மூழ்கிட்ட எம்மை நீ கலந்து காத்திருந்து கருணை பொய்கையில் அல மலர்ந்திட்ட அளவற்றும் போல உன் திருவடியில் வாழ்ந்திட வாராய் அருணாச்சலனே நீ வாராய் அகண்ட ஜோதியனே வாராய் அல்லல் நீக்கிடவே வாராய் அகிலம் போற்றுகின்ற ஈசனே சிந்தை கவரும் அந்த நேசனே நீ வருவாய் ஒடு கனிகளை கொண்டு பூஜித்தோம் அருள் தருவாய் மெய்யினில் வில்வமும் நிறையார் கடல் நீர் குடியோடு தரிசனம் அருளவா செம்பொன்மாட சிற்றவை தனிலே இந்தை கவர்ந்த உன்னை சிக்கன பிடித்தேனே மண்ணும் புகழ் பெறும் நான் வரை நாயகா மதியில் நிறைந்திடுவாய் மதி உணராதவர்க்கு மதி உணர் செய்திட வான்மழை ஏந்திவா அறவாடிட சூழ்ந்திட
नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिव समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्ति मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the visitors, viewers, Sarvangyapita Yajamans, Kartas, Shrimahans, Mahans, Kotaris, Tanedars, Kayakalpa Yoga participants, Nityananda Yogam participants, Nityananda Hindu University students, Nityananda E-Gurukul students and everyone sitting with us all over the world through live on Nityananda TV, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Enlighten app, Kailasa TV, Hinduism Now TV, Twitter and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today, 9th day of the Sri Nityanandeshwara Brahmotsavam, Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva and Nityanandeshwari Parashakti are gracing in Sarva Alankara, adorned with Amlana Mala, seated on Swarna Rishabhavagana, along with Mahaganapati, Valli Devasena Sameda Subramanya Swami, Nityanandeshwari Parashakti, Chandikeshwara, and Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Paramashivam. Let's receive their grace by offering our devotion and Aarti.
तमं बन्धितमं देवहूतममृतमसि अविर्गात् त्वमाह्वा आमित्रस्य त्वाचक्षुषा प्रेक्ष्येर्माभिर्मा संविक्तामात्वादिगुंशिषम् श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः। धूपमाग्रापयामि। ॐ बुद्धिभ्यस्वजातवेदोपग्निं निरर्तिं मम वसुगुं क्षमत्यमावह जीवनं च दिशो दश मानो हि गुंसेर्जातवेदो कामस्त्वं पुरुषं जगते अभिद्रवन्नागयन्त्रियापादय श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्द परमशिवाय नमः। दीपं दर्शयामि। अथ नैवेद्यम् ॐ वं अमृते अमृतोद्भवे अमृतवर्षिणी अमृतं श्रावय श्रावय स्वाहा। श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्द परमशिवाय नमः। अमृतमहानैवेद्यं निवेदयामि। ॐ सोमो वा एतस्य राज्यमाधत्ते यो राजा संराज्यो वा सोमेन यजते देवसु वा मेधानि हवीगुंसि भवन्ति एतावन्तो वै देवानामुं सवाः स एवास्मै सवान् प्रयच्छन्ति तयेन पुनः सुवन्ते राज्याय देवसु राजा भवति। कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः। नीराजनं संदर्शयामि।
I have a beautiful announcement before entering into today's message from Kailasa. The English spelling of Kailasa is now stands in Agama. Kailasa is spelled by Paramashiva's own words. As per that, we have made English transliteration. So please, all of you, update all the Facebook page, everywhere, the spelling of Kailasa in English language. S-R-I-K-A-I-L-A-S-H-A. S-R-I-K-A-I-L-A-S-H-A. So this is the spelling as per Agama. We have upgraded. So please upgrade this spelling everywhere, whether your ashram name, center name, or Facebook page name, everywhere. So S-R-I-K-A-I-L-A-S-H-A. Sri Kailasa. Now, Now, today's message from Kailasa, Paramashiva Jnana and Vijnana, listen. Possibility and power manifestation science is the ultimate life positivity. Listen. Possibility and power manifestation science is the ultimate life positivity. Listen intensely. Possibility. You can become Paramashiva. The state, space, powers, being and superconsciousness of Paramashiva can manifest in you. And power manifestation science. This is ultimate life positivity. That is why life negative people are terrorized by this life's possibility and positivity. Understand? All the people who try to claim power manifestation science is false lie, they shiver inside because they know they are lying, and unimaginable amount of proofs I have provided to establish the science of power manifestation, and they know I am a huge proof, direct proof from Kailasa that power manifestation is real. I am a huge statement from Kailasa establishing Paramashiva is real, power manifestation is real. Understand? All the fellows who are trying to abuse, attack, falsely claim power manifestation science is false. They all know, listen, they all know by challenging power manifestation science, they are only spreading me more. Because it is, we have so much, tons of evidences, witnesses, researchers, studies, enough to establish the authenticity of power manifestation science. Not only that, it's not that power manifestation, that power was there in me earlier, now it is not there. No. Still I am alive, radiating Paramashiva. And still Mahakala Bhairava is protecting me. Understand? These attackers, they might have stopped people meeting me and getting initiated, all those physical happenings. That also temporarily, not permanently. But they are not able to stop me making people manifest powers. Understand? Anyone challenges power manifestation is directly or indirectly promoting us. Because we have too much evidence. Not just Gurukul Balasans are manifesting powers. Thousands of people like you, doctors, engineers, lawyers, real people manifest powers. Understand? Sometimes people are not able to handle the social pressure, so they keep quiet. That does not mean their experience is false. And not only that, sometimes you see, people get deluded by the idea, informations, vast amount of atrocity material, lies, and they may get little deluded about maybe his character, how is his economical policies of the organization. Something, some confusion, delusion may be inserted by liars and attackers, abusers. But nobody can take away the truth. I manifested power. Power manifestation is true. Nobody can take it away. Understand that. You can try to delude yourself. Maybe no, it was a placebo effect or some fluke and some fall. Some am I deluded or was it black magic? All that doubt does not hold water. Too many people, too many powers, in too many places, in remote corners. We have too much of evidence to prove directly, indirectly. To establish the science of power manifestation. I tell you, even the people who are accusing, abusing, attacking, alone, inside their heart, they know, hey, Swamiji has powers. Paramashiva is real and he is incarnated as Swamiji. We may be deluding ourselves, hiding, forgetting, and forcibly trying to forget all the drama you can do. But you know the reality. I tell you, listen, I tell you. Because I know the people who are attacking me, who are they? Because I know my enemy. You see, I don't have enmity. Who treat me as enemy? Because I know my enemy, I am peaceful. But because they know their enemy, they are shivering, agitated, angry, perturbed, screaming from all corners. Listen to this. This is today's essence of today's satsang. Because I know my enemies, I am peaceful. Because my enemies know their enemies, their enemy and enemies, they are shivering, they are shaking. Understand? A good leader is a person who can find use even in traitor. You may think how a traitor can be useful. Listen. In Agama, Paramashiva says very clearly, traitor should be used to send informations to delude the enemies. Enemy and traitor will always be in close touch. Listen. Whatever information you need to send to enemy to keep him in delusion, you should leak it to traitor. Traitor will exactly transmit. And two things will happen. Either that enemy is completely deluded, or the enemy finds the information given by traitor is not right, then the traitor and enemy lose the trust on each other. Both are good for the leader. That's all. Understand? ஆகமத்துல பெருமான் சொல்லி இருக்காரு. Paramashiva has told in Agama about the administration. Understand, I tell you. Now the traitors will feel, hey, I have been used to send wrong information and to keep the enemies deluded. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. End of the day, absolute life positivity is a strength, power. Paramashiva's manifestation. Later on, listen to this satsang, you will understand more details. I am loud and clear statement from Kailasa. Paramashiva is real. The possibility and power manifestation science is true. And every human being should work on achieving the state, space, powers, being and superconsciousness of Paramashiva. Understand, especially the Kayakalpa participants. All the Kayakalpa Yoga participants, please raise your hand. I am not seeing the Kayakalpa Yoga participants in Madurai. Madurai, please get all the Kayakalpa Yoga participants to come and sit for the satsang. Listen. Kayakalpa Yoga is a pure science of manifesting the possibility and powers. Listen carefully. When you speak about the ultimate, only seekers connect with it. Person who is soaked in extreme life negativity does not even feel connected to the ultimate truth.
அஷ்டசக்தி மண்டபத்தில் அஷ்டலட்சுமிகள் தொழுது ஆறு வரிசை தூண்களுடன் மீனாட்சி மண்டபம் கண்டு முதலிநாயக.
Listen. Listen carefully. In every level, whether your health, wealth, relationships, completion, fulfillment, social existence, spiritual enlightenment, in every level, you being inspired about the possibility and you given the science of manifesting powers of consciousness, Paramashiva, is absolute life positivity. Understand? Life positivity. Everyone who is frustrated, angry, unable to deal his own possibility, extreme laziness, does not want to work towards the higher consciousness or possibility. They try to deny the whole science, and they are angry at people who are talking and manifesting this science. That is the important thing. Understand? See, not only, it's like in the young age, you hear a story in your primary school that fox which could not get the grapes screams, "Oh, these grapes are sour." Exactly. When you can't get and you don't have interest in getting it, you are too lazy, too tired, too bored, too agitated, irritated, frustrated, never even tried, then what is the best way? Deny the whole possibility. Understand? Self-denial leads to universal denial. Deny the whole universe. You see, if I cannot achieve something, whole universe cannot achieve it. That is why I always tell people, if somebody is individually negative, he becomes representative of devil. If somebody is individually positive, he becomes representative of Paramashiva. Possibility and power manifestation science is absolute life positivity. That is the source, core inspiration, Paramashiva. I tell you, every time if somebody triggers, inspires possibility in you, they awaken Paramashivatva in you. Every time somebody makes you feel impossible, life denial, life negativity, they are destroying your possibility and pushing you into the space of negativity, life negativity. Understand? Kailasa is the beautiful possibility I am introducing to human beings. Paramashiva is real. His teachings, Vedas and Agamas are real. And what he is teaching, the state space powers, being and superconsciousness of Paramashiva is real. Kailasa is a great possibility for humanity I am introducing. Suddenly I am seeing, last few days, I don't know how many of you have observed, the whole media and social media is talking only about Kailasa. They are no more bothered or no more talking about all the rumors, scandals, lies spread. Kailasa has caught the imagination of even media and social media people. ஐயா, மீம்ஸ் போடுற மாம்சுகளா, நீங்க எங்க இருக்கீங்க, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க, நீங்க நல்லவங்களா கெட்டவங்களா எனக்கு ஒன்றும் தெரியாது. ஆனா ஒரு நல்லது பண்ணிட்டீங்க. உங்களுக்கு யார் 200 ரூபா கொடுக்குறாங்களோ தினம், அதுவும் எனக்கு தெரியாது. நீங்க நல்ல நோக்கத்துக்காக பண்ணீங்களா கெட்ட நோக்கத்துக்காக பண்ணீங்களான்னு தெரியாது. ஆனா கண்டபடி மீம்ஸை போட்டு கைலாசத்தை பாப்புலர் பண்ணிட்டீங்க ஐயா. கைலாசம் ரொம்ப பாப்புலர் ஆயிருச்சு. இதுக்கு மேல நானே வேற ஏதாவது சொன்னா கூட சனங்க நம்ப மாட்டாங்க போல. ஐயா, எவ்வளோ நல்லது பண்ணீங்க, இவ்வளோ மீம்ஸை போட்டு கைலாசத்தை பாப்புலர் பண்ணீங்க. ஒரே ஒரு நல்லது பண்ணிருங்க. அந்த ஐலண்டு தீவுன்னு சொல்றீங்களே, அது எங்க இருக்குன்னு மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் கண்டுபிடிச்சி கேட்டு எனக்கு சொல்லிவிட்டீங்கன்னா நானும் அங்க போய் நான் தான் நித்யானந்தான்னு சொல்லி அந்த ஞான விஞ்ஞான சக்கரவர்த்தி சுப்ரீம் பாண்டிஃப் அப்படின்னு அந்த டைட்டில் அந்த வேலையை ஏதோ ஒரு வேலையை போட்டு கொடுக்க சொல்லி வாங்கிக்கிட்டு அங்கே நிம்மதியாக செட்டில் ஆயிடுவேன். அந்த ஐலண்டு தீவுன்னு சொன்னீங்களே, அதை மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் கண்டுபிடிச்சி எங்கே இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு போயிருங்கய்யா, உங்களுக்கு புண்ணியமாக போகும். ரொம்ப கூவுறாங்க ஐயா, கொடுத்த காசுக்கு மேல கூவுறாங்களே, வாங்கின காசுக்கு மேல கூவுறாங்க. ஆனா எது என்னவோ கைலாசம் பாப்புலர் ஆயிருச்சுப்பா. ஒரு நாளைக்கு 8 லட்சம் பேர் பார்க்குறாங்க ஐயா. 8 lakh people are visiting Kailasa website per day and 1 lakh people are becoming member per day. Until now 12 lakh people have applied for e-citizenship. Tomorrow only I am even going to formally announce the possibility for e-citizenship. The vision caught the imagination of people. The strength of the vision, I tell you, now with the grace of Paramashiva, Parashakti, Mahaganapati, Paramaganapati Paramburul, Nandishwara, Subramanya, Mahakala Bhairava, all the gods and goddesses of Mahakailasa. Now, Sri Kailasa has to become real and it has started manifesting. Understand? Sri Kailasa is manifesting. I think people asked me, Swamiji, why suddenly on that particular day it started becoming popular? I said, if you ask me what I will tell, I am a Hindu sannyasi. I will tell, oh, that day was the 4th day of the Brahmotsavam. Arunachaleshwara graces under the Karpa Vriksha on Kailasa Vahana, on Kailasa hill under the Karpa Vriksha. He blesses and goes round and does the Madhavidi. So maybe because he sat on the Kailasa under the Karpaka Vriksha, he popularized Kailasa on that day. Exactly, that is what has happened. On that day only it happened. So if you ask me, I am a Hindu sannyasi, I will give only this reason. எது என்னவோப்பா, மீம்ஸா போட்டு கைலாசத்தை பாப்புலர் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. கைலாசா has become too popular. I only request all the people who sent email, please give us little time for us to respond. We did not expect this kind of a positive response, and I want to tell you, less than 1% negative emails. 99%, more than 99%. It's all absolutely positive, supporting, enquiring. So many people even offering land. I wanted to thank all the people who are offering land all over the world. I don't want to reveal the name, but some of the governments have officially approached us and invited us to have the Kailasa settlement in their place. I thank all of them. We will start working with them maybe soon with Paramashiva's grace, Parashakti's grace, Paramaganapati's grace. Mahakala Bhairava's blessings. Subramania's blessings, all the gods and goddesses of Kailasa, their blessings, Mahanandi's blessings. We will have not only space, place also for Kailasa. Once it is done, I'll announce it publicly to all of you. I want to tell you, I never expected this kind of response. I really thought we will humbly continue our services. Now I want to tell you all, the first work of Kailasa, most important, bringing legitimacy to the whole spiritual component of Hinduism, means collecting all the spiritual scriptures and organizing, demystifying and sharing it with the whole world freely. Knowledge is free as per Paramashiva. That's our first responsibility. We are fundamentally education organization. Kailasa is inspiring people for the possibility and power manifestation science and giving them ultimate absolute inspiration about life positivity. The most unexpected is some of the governments approaching us. That was the most unexpected but sweet surprise. Because the governments themselves have approached us. Soon I'll have a good news to share with all of you. Understand one thing. All intelligent people, people who started thinking, have realized power manifestation science is true. All the great scientists have started understanding human beings have extraordinary potential and possibility, whether in the field of brain research or in the field of physics or even in the field of biology. The researchers and scientists have realized human beings have ultimate possibility and too much is there to be explored, and they all understand Hinduism as too much to contribute to the world. And now, good or bad, right or wrong, whether people want or not, I am not talking out of anger, arrogance, pride. Please understand. One thing has happened. Think power manifestation science, think Nityananda. It has become a statement. Whether you say power manifestation is true, then Nityananda is true. Whether you may claim power manifestation is false, then you may say Nityananda is false, whatever conclusion. But non-controversially, power manifestation science and Nityananda has become almost like a synonymous. So anybody who starts thinking in this field, the possibilities, they started thinking Nityananda, and they want to start building relationship. They want to start exploring the science. I want to tell you only one thing. I will make this science available by the grace of Paramashiva and Parashakti to the whole world freely. Whoever comes, approaches me, I'll share this science with them. I am very clear. And we have too much proof. It's not that I need to even give proof from past. I'll tell them, if you want to learn, come on, bring 2-3 people, come. I'll initiate you now and teach you, and you will manifest powers now. That's all. Understand, if somebody is challenging power manifestation science, directly or indirectly they are promoting us. Because we have too much evidence. We have too much proof. Living evidence, living proof. Now I can initiate and they can manifest powers. What can be done? What more proof you want? I want the whole Sangha to take the responsibility and stand with me during this time, intensely enriching. I really want, any of you want to volunteer to attend all these emails, because lakhs, hundreds of thousands of emails every day. நாங்க ஏதோ இந்த பழம்பெரும் சர்வர் ஒன்றத்துல ஹோஸ்ட் பண்ணி வச்சிருந்தோங்கய்யா. அந்த சர்வர் உடஞ்சி உட்காந்துருச்சு, இந்த லோடு தாங்காம. அதுக்கப்புறம் அதுக்கு கை காலெல்லாம் வச்சு முட்டு கொடுத்து பெரிய சர்வருக்கு மாத்தி. We never expected this kind of a load. Some old server we have loaded, we were running. Now we will have to upgrade ourselves and take the whole thing to the next level. I give you a few minutes. If any of you want to help us in attending all these emails, now please send an email, kailasa.org/satsang. So we will organize and allot the responsibility to everyone. Please understand the way it is going. Next 6 months, if we sincerely contribute to people's life, understand, Kailasa is built on love, an intense contribution to people, and absolute life positivity. If we work 6 months and continuously contribute to people's life, make them live a better life, health, wealth, knowledge, enlightenment, power manifestation in every level, Kailasa will become reality. Already it is reality, it will become more and more reality by Paramashiva's grace and Parashakti's grace. Sign up by going to kailasa.org/satsang now. I'm giving you a few minutes.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
नागेन्द्रहाराय त्रिलोचनाय भस्मांगरागाय महेश्वराय नागेन्द्रहाराय त्रिलोचनाय भस्मांगरागाय महेश्वराय नित्याय शुद्धाय दिगंबराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय
नित्याय शुद्धाय दिगंबराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय
शिवाय शिव ओम नमः शिवाय हर ओम नमः शिवाय शिव ओम नमः शिवाय
मंदाकिनी सलिल चंदन चर्चिताय नंदीश्वर प्रमथनाथ महेश्वराय मंदाकिनी सलिल चंदन चर्चिताय नंदीश्वर प्रमथनाथ महेश्वराय मंदार बहु पुष्प सुपूजिताय तस्मै मकाराय नमः शिवाय
मंदार बहु पुष्प सुपूजिताय तस्मै मकाराय नमः शिवाय
शिवाय गौरी वदनारविन्द सूर्याय दक्षध्वरनाशकाय शिवाय गौरी वदनारविन्द सूर्याय दक्षध्वरनाशकाय श्रीनीलकण्ठाय वृषध्वजाय तस्मै शिकाराय नमः शिवाय
श्रीनीलकण्ठाय वृषध्वजाय तस्मै शिकाराय नमः शिवाय
शिवाय शिव ओम नमः शिवाय हर ओम नमः शिवाय शिव ओम नमः शिवाय
वसिष्ठ कुम्भोद्भव गौतमार्य मुनीन्द्र देवार्चित शेखराय वसिष्ठ कुम्भोद्भव गौतमार्य मुनीन्द्र देवार्चित शेखराय चन्द्रार्क वैश्वानरलोचनाय तस्मै वकाराय नमः शिवाय
चन्द्रार्क वैश्वानरलोचनाय तस्मै वकाराय नमः शिवाय
यक्षस्वरूपाय जटाधराय पिनाकहस्ताय सनातनाय यक्षस्वरूपाय जटाधराय पिनाकहस्ताय सनातनाय दिव्याय देवाय दिगंबराय तस्मै यकाराय नमः शिवाय
दिव्याय देवाय दिगंबराय तस्मै यकाराय नमः शिवाय
शिवाय शिव ओम नमः शिवाय हर ओम नमः शिवाय शिव ओम नमः
क्षणमिदं पुण्यं यः पठेत् शिवसन्निधौ शिवलोकमवाप्नोति शिवेन सह मोदते शिवेन सह मोदते शिवेन सह मोदते
Yes, thank you. Even now, hundreds of emails are pouring. Let me continue the satsang. We are the only nation, no tax, completely run voluntary contribution, no army. We don't have any army, we only pray to Paramashiva and Paramashiva protects us. Mahakala Bhairava protects us. That's the only protection we have. And practically no staff. It's only volunteer run organization, volunteer run nation. Understand? Kailasa is the principle declaring the highest possibility for individual human beings and collectively for all human beings. In every level, see, even building your home, Paramashiva teaches you the science of space, how your inner space is connected to the space you are living, how to create a living space which will make your inner space into ultimate space. That's all. In every level. The absolute enlightenment science, the absolute pure possibility, the absolute power manifestation science is the most life positive. Understand? Life positive. I wanted to reveal a powerful cognition from Kailasa. Intensity of the dream state. Intensity of the deep sleep state. Intensity of your confusions in the waking state can be used to manifest state space powers of Paramashiva intensely in you just by realizing these different states are paintings on the canvas called you, consciousness. Let me repeat. Intensity of the dream state. Intensity of the deep sleep state. Confusions of the waking state. When I say intensity, all the time, energy you spend in those states can be used for manifesting powers, state, space, powers, being, consciousness of Paramashiva, just by realizing, cognizing only one truth. That truth is, all these states are painted on a canvas called you, which is consciousness. Means, cognizing during the deep sleep and waking and dream state, I don't become different personality. I am me. On me, all these are painted in different colors. The color of the painting may differ, but not the quality of the canvas. Again, media is what to say, that almost like a mad over this me version. I gave clearly you version also. But nobody wants the you version. Everyone wants only me version. And in the me version also, they don't want the form, description, because when I am describing, I am clearly saying the me in me is talking to me in you. The cosmic me manifesting through this me and talking to all the me in you. All of you, what you feel as me in you is cosmic me reflecting in you. That me talking through this me to that me. They don't want to show the visual. Because if you show the visual, people will understand it is Advaita philosophy, pure Hinduism. They want to make fun of it. Only that is why they use only the audio. Literally they are like a enamored by this me version. Are going crazy with this me version. Anyhow. Now let me share this pure truth. Listen carefully. From today, remember, the waking state me, dream state me, deep sleep state me, all the three me's may be different color painting, but painted on same canvas, which is consciousness. Different color. Difference in the color of the painting does not change the quality of the canvas. Listen to this truth and meditate. Cognize this. Cognize this. this cognition, when you wake up, when you are confused, understand, even when you are utterly confused and powerless, the core consciousness quality does not change. Shuddhadvaita remains a Shuddhadvaita forever, whether you want it or not. Few things I can tell very clearly. The absolute truth, when you meditate on it, cognize it, it melts down all the problems, manifests so much of energy. You just manifest all the best things as reality. Nothing can be compared to the enlightening truths and power it gives you. Enlightening truths and power it gives you. I'll repeat the truth. Listen. The core life which is in you, which you experience as me in you, means what you feel as you, I. What you feel as I, that I is the canvas, consciousness, canvas on which waking state and all its confusions, dream state and deep sleep state is painted. When you remember this truth, the consciousness in you becomes more powerful than the influence of these three states. Then naturally, the consciousness starts manifesting Paramashiva in all these three states. It is as simple as remembrance. That's it. Understand? Remembrance is too powerful. Not as simple as you think. Remember Shiva, Paramashiva. Remember Kailasa. Immediately something happens to your system. Especially when you are initiated. If you are initiated. Remembrance is not as easy or simple or a joke as you think. It's too big and too powerful, too beautiful, too wonderful. It can do too much. today, this is the powerful cognition. The me in me, the pure consciousness, is the canvas on which deep sleep, dream and waking states are painted. The painting's color may differ, but not the quality of the canvas. This is the truth through which I will manifest Paramashiva in me through all these three states. Let's cognize this and meditate on this. Please sit straight and meditate on this. Powerful cognition. Connect with Paramashiva, Kailasa. I'll connect you all to Kailasa and Paramashiva. Chant Mahavagya intensely. Paramashivoham Om Nityananda 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 Paramashivoham Om Nityananda
नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् I bless you all. Let's all radiate state space powers of Paramashiva. Tomorrow is Mahadipam, Nityanandeshwara Brahmotsavam, ultimate day. Please get ready for tomorrow's satsang. Don't miss tomorrow's satsang. And we also have early morning Bharanidipam Mahotsavam. Early morning, Indian Standard Time 3:30 AM. Bharanidipam. I will be personally attending. Please, all of you come to have the darshan of Paramashiva in the form of Jyoti. And so I welcome all of you morning for Bharanidipa at 3:30 AM Indian Standard Time, evening 5:30 for Mahadipa Utsavam. Let's do our work. Let's do our work. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Paramashivoham, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.
द्राविड वेद प्रवर्तक श्रीमन् परमशिव करुणा समधिगत मुक्तामय चक्रश्रयान दीयमान छत्रचामर
ॐ नित्यानन्दाय